It's great to be back. First time for our owner in 5 years, so we're excited to be back at the show.
Good, good. Perfect timing. We have the 30-year anniversary to celebrate today. So how has it been so far, day one?
It's been good. It's been good. The show is massive. It just seems to get bigger every year, and a lot of foot traffic. We've had some good interactions.
Great. So tell us about what Great Lotus has to offer. What is your innovation, or what is your latest product that you can share with us?
We're an insole company, and we work in PU. So we do open cell PU, and we do a poured PU product that we call Aura Essence. And probably our big thing right now at the show is sustainable product using bio-based additives in both the open cell and the closed in the poured PU.
Okay, so you're taking something out and replacing it with something.
Not so much taking it out, but adding a bio-based polyol into the formula so that it makes the product more sustainable. So we can add up to 50% of either soy or corn-based additive in just to increase the sustainability of the product without sacrificing physical properties or performance. So performance and cushioning are equal to or better than they have been with the added sustainable score.
I see. Oh, nice. So this is your...
This is our open cell. So this is our open cell foam, and we have recycled content. This has 20% recycled, so regrind from what we're using in production. And then our poured PU product is over there. I should maybe grab one of those.
Okay. So when you're saying 20% recycled here, where's the recycle? How are you getting the recycled?
So that's kind of post-production. So when after the product is made, there's some excess in the process, and then we pour that excess back in. So that is how you get from kind of a natural solid color to the speckled color. That's the recycled content.
Okay.
And then our poured PU product is a lightweight polyurethane. That is newer to the company. We haven't been doing that as long, and we've had some really great feedback on that.
Great. So applications for casual, athletic, everything in between?
Yeah, everything's primarily athletic in our zone. So yeah, we've had really good luck with both the poured and the open cell PU foam.
Great, and the response to the new sustainable components has been good?
It's been really good. Yeah, people love to do something that's better for the environment. So anytime you can add a sustainable product without a big upcharging cost, it's a win for everybody.